My name's Dave Young. I'm an artist and maker, and I'm responsible for designing and making the sheep sculptures for herd. So when I started off making sculptures and art, I couldn't really afford much in the way of materials. So like a lot of people, I sort of turned to things that were affordable and available, which turned out to be junk and rubbish and sort of found items, discarded stuff. Because what I really enjoy is getting a material and turning it into something else, transforming it.
Each sheep's going to have a different look to it, different feel, so this is the kind of industrial one.
This was made out of mostly old sheets and duvet covers.
Collaboration is really vital if you're an artist or a creative. The finale in St George's Square is the kind of one that really be the kind of icing on the cake, and will sort of really bring together all the different parts of the project, the music, all the different groups, the school kids, the songs, the sheep, everything together in one place I think will be magic. I think there's been a real desire for people to come together, so I really hope Herd will kind of fill that gap.